welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox something that I got from my mom for her birthday, which is later this week, because I want to make sure that it's in good condition. It is from Coach, as you can see in the title. So it's not a huge thing, but it's basically her main present. And it arrived today, so let me just open the box. I have a few other gifts for my mom, but as I said, this is the main one. And as you can see, it's the Coach box. It says Coach up there. And this is the little thank you for shopping at Coach card. And oh my goodness, it's in this little tiny dust bag, which doesn't even really fit the item, which is kind of weird for Coach. I find that Coach's packaging is usually pretty on point. So, as I have probably mentioned before, my mother's favorite color is blue and her favorite material is denim. So I got her the denim essential zip around wallet. It is, let's see, it's in dark indigo is what they're calling this color. And you can see that it's a little bit like, what is that, like it looks like it's like not, what is that stone washed maybe? So I thought that because she loves denim that she would love this as a wallet. I got her a denim tabby a couple years ago, if you remember. I did show it on the channel, and it is lighter, but I still think that she would like this. And then last year I got her a wristlet that's denim. It was denim and leather, but I thought that she would like this, especially if she has a small bag. There are several compartments inside. I have a couple of these not in the denim, and I just love them. They're such great wallets, especially if you have a small bag. So let me just check it. Let me see. I don't want to take all the protective packaging off because it is her present, but I just want to make sure that I don't see anything glaring. Okay, it seems okay. It's just weird about this little bag, which is adorable. It doesn't really fit the item, so that's a little weird, but my mother isn't going to care because she's not even going to notice. My mother has Alzheimer's. She is a little bit advanced in her Alzheimer's. But she can still, enjoy things. She can still feed herself. She still enjoys, good food, and she lives in the moment basically. So, when I do give this to her and she gets to unwrap it and everything, I think she will enjoy and appreciate that. She probably won't remember it the next day, but at least she can enjoy it in the moment. And every time she uses it, she will like it because it is denim. Now, this retails for $95 US. And it comes in a variety of colors. Most of the other ones are leather, but yeah, because she likes the denim, I thought I would get her this. So that is basically what her big present, her main present is. And then I do have a few other little things, which we'll do a video for her birthday, but I just wanted to show you that because I had to open it anyway to just check it. So thank you so much for joining me here, and please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.